right, so here's 8562 on Adventure of the Seas. So it's a usual small room. So the pull-out couch there, that'll be a bed for Max. Looks like our water's already been delivered. That's excellent. Here's our king-size bed, our nice walkout balcony. So small little balcony, but it's very echoey, but it's very private too. So you just have this little cutout here to see out your support. Our neighbors over there. Got a couple chairs. Nice chairs reclined back, and then a nice table to set things on, which is good. So, and then we'll show you there's a little desk area that's about to be completely filled up with lots of things charging. Little TV, some storage space here. So little shelves. There's the room safe. What was that?
Room service, you have to pay $7.
$7.95 per room for your food to be delivered down. That's perfectly fine. I mean, you gotta pay him to deliver. Here's the little mini fridge. So we'll pack that full of our waters that we ordered. Some drawer space, which is nice. Looks like there's 2 outlets here. There's a European style outlet there as well. And then no outlets near the bed over there, which is kind of a bummer, but have to do. Would you like me to look at the restroom?
Yes, please.
And little bitty tiny bathroom here. So just come into your business, get out kind of place.
Get in, get out.
Yeah, so and here's the shower. Nice round shower.
Oh, it has the plastic on there, sweet.
Yeah, that's good. I do like the plastic doors over just having the curtain, because the curtain ends up flooding your bathroom. So having the plastic doors would be pretty cool. There's a conditioning shampoo that they provide for you, and ample shelving space there. And I think
The mirrors open up and have shelving there too.
what? Brilliant. So nice ample shelving space there as well. This side doesn't open, so it's the only side for the shelving unit. So, but there's hooks here, towel hooks and things like that. And then you have to hold it down. So a lot of shelving, which is great, and then a lot of space to hang all your clothes.
Where's our?
Which is nice.
Where's our what? Life jackets?
We don't need those things.
We don't have any life jackets.
It's okay. We don't need them. I'm not worried about it.
Hey guys, surprise! This isn't a pull-out bed. I sleep up there.
No. We don't want Max above us. She's gonna drop things on us while we try to sleep.
He's our beast.
All right, so that's room tour. Luggage is already here. It's 1 o'clock. Quick service. We love it. All right, so that's it. That's room tour.